Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asks Grumpy Toad, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Pete stands on one foot. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on one foot and you hop up and down. Pete stands on one foot and he hops up and down. He still has the hiccups. Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and you hop up and down and you sing a song. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. He still has the hiccups. Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. You stand on one foot and you hop up and down and you sing a song and you rub your belly. Pete does it. Nothing's working. He still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep, deep breath. Hold your breath, blow it out, his mom says. Pete holds his breath. Blows his breath out. That's it, Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits, and the hiccups are gone. Mama is so smart.